Goofy. Turn out. Yeah, whoa, no. Take care, Goofy. Goofy, your brother, why you fight? Whoa, why? Huh? Why you fight Goofy? Yeah. No. I take care, baby monkey. No. Why? Goofy, don't scare me. I help you. Spider-Man help you. I don't know why. No. Look. Why? Whoa, listen me. Why do you come? Why you had baby monkey? Goofy is so lovely. Huh? Why? Hop together. I don't know, Gogo. I don't like you do that. Huh? You also don't like do that because Goofy is baby monkey, so little monkey, so small monkey. Goofy is so lovely and take care Goofy because Goofy your brother love you. Goofy love Bobo, Goofy love Fifi, Goofy love Susu also. So you provide this love for Goofy all together, you know? Okay, hop. Good. Don't fight. Whoa, free also. Yes, help me all together. Help me all together. No, Goofy, no move. I introduce. This is Susu, and this is Fifi. Her name Fifi, her name Susu, and his name Bobo. Bobo is so smart monkey, but Bobo play a lot when all the way play a lot. Bobo, I don't like Bobo play. When Bobo play, Bobo always beat me very hurt, very hurt. So I introduce Goofy to you. His name Goofy from USA. No, Florida City. Goofy. You know? And Goofy is smart monkey also, but Goofy is so small. Goofy need to warm of love for take care about him because Goofy is poor monkey, don't have your parent, don't have parent. Goofy is so sad monkey and poor monkey. So you need to love Goofy altogether. Don't fight. Don't abuse for Goofy, né? Susu, Fifi, Bobo, listen me. You always provide this love for Goofy, né? And Goofy love Susu, Fifi, Bobo also. Good. Susu, take care. Yeah. Okay. And have fruit, you always share fruit, share mango, share banana, share milk for Goofy, né? For Goofy, and Goofy share also for you. Is have milk, have water, have fruit, have rice, have meat, have crab, have anything. You always to share because we lose at all.